זה עושה? תאשר לי את זה.
Solaris, it's TopCat. At least now we got a chance.
Yeah.
And he don't have a healer, so maybe we have chance if I don't die on the first one sick.
Either to rest you up, but try to not die in the first turn. Not good, you're suiciding. Why?
Don't worry.
No, assassin just
I'm on him.
help me.
TopCat.
I can't do
I'm on
shit.
TopCat.
Ah. I need
Fucking
help.
me up. Master.
I'm trying my best.
Okay. Awesome.
Run, you can't engage.
Fuck, no, I can't. I wasn't able. I was. Who killed me? You didn't finish the monk.
Remove the
Ah,
pressure
yeah.
from Thunder Fury so he can rest, and that's what he did. But that wasn't so good because I wanted him to rescue.
That's good enough. Good enough.
Almost all of the
Oh, again on stun lock. I'm gonna be dead. I'm dead again. Ah, can kill me just one shot.
Cooldown. Maybe cooldown. Maybe the cooldown will heat up.
No, switch to Thunder Fury.
Oh, switch target.
Yeah, try to kill Thunder.
Yes, but I won't.
The second dress. Maybe second dress.
Yeah, why don't rest?
I don't think he has mana.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna die right now.
Suicided though. Why do you open before
I
you
didn't
go
suicided.
to TopCat?
I didn't suicided.
It was close to suicide.
No. That was calculated.
Where are you going? I'm a TopCat.
Yeah. I waited for this.
Yeah, on me. Ah, I can do it. Just focus everyone on me.
Okay. One done.
Red, now cool down.
Yes. Yeah. The assassin. I am on him.
I'm controlling this.
Hold him. I am controlled. Hold him.
Try to control.
Disengaging. Fucking got assure. Few moments. I need to get rid of this fucker. Few moments. I'll be back.
You have rollback. Not good idea.
I am on him. Holding him.
Ah,
Oh my fucking god.
yes.
Hold him. Good job. Done. It's done. Whew. Let me wait for.
Revive me to sick. Kill the assassin. Okay, אותי בדיוק לשתי שניות.
The fuck is fucking me up. Disengaging. Frayl.
Ah, Frayl. Tell me,
Yeah, I've tried, he almost fucked me up. Fucking CC.
Try to kill me.
I'm on Frayl. Yeah, a lot of CC. I'm switching to the clone.
I will die.
Ah,
Okay.
fuck.
Don't get why we don't get rested. What the fuck?
Thunder dead.
Ah, Thunder dead.
Is that like 5 minutes?
Okay. Now Frayl only left.
The last I did on the 1 HP I have,
I
rest
will
of
need
the
to
time.
disengage soon. Disengaging.
No, we can win it. We can actually win this bitch.
Bah.
Yeah, I'm regaining. Let me just regain.
It's a waiting game.
He fucking got a lot of reflection as well.
Boy. We need to try, boy.
We fucking managed to beat up TopCat.
Yeah.
Okay. Go and gain soon. Go.
You have 20 seconds anyway. No, no, you're gonna die, you're gonna die!
The fuck is this? I almost killed myself. The fuck? How much reflection do we got?
Not enough to win this one.
I fucking almost instantly killed myself.
She's still attacking me. Alright. Same strategy. Please leave the monk. Fuck him. We need to focus him down afterwards.
Yeah. But if he's holding me, it's much better me to fuck him up. Yeah.
I see. And I got both of them. Kundao and him. Fuck, I fucked up Kundao. Let's go.
Wow.
Okay, one is down.
Alright, Kundao, right now. Kundao.
Yeah. I am on him. I'm fuck.
Kill the assassin. I get full control it.
If we kill the assassin, our life will be good.
Yeah. Almost done.
Our priest dead. And I'm controlled.
Alright.
And Freya gonna kill me.
Now the monk.
Freya kill me. Fuck it. They kill me just one shot.
Alright, no rush, don't rush, don't do something stupid. You kill slow and steady the monk, that's it. And now we go for the... we will control Frayl.
Yeah, just control the fuck. how he managed to get me. Ah, fucking clone. Fucking got the clone. Just hold Frayl, far away from me.
That's right. Oh, he's lying to you, he's lying to you. Move. No need to rush.
Yeah,
no need to rush.
disengage. I disengaged.
Running both
Waiting.
of them right now.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the disengagement.
It's okay, don't rush. Alright, I'm taking Frayl, controlling Frayl.
You're on Frayl, okay. I'm continue to fuck him up. Ah, fucking shit. Almost.
Lying to you. Pay attention. I have a runner, we have a runner! No, he's running away from me! What the fuck, bro? Come here! No. I will catch you eventually. She's running away from me, what the fuck?
Okay, almost done. Almost done.
He's trying to run
Done.
away again, I catch her up. Alright.
Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to eat something for 2 minutes.
Yay, we win TopCat.
Yeah.
You have 2 minutes, but yeah. No, he tried to kill you. He do too much damage.
Yeah, he will kill me.
I will kill you this way.
No, I can help you to disengage a little bit.
No, it's okay. I don't need it. I can disengage from myself.
Oh, what the fuck? I'm dealing damage to him right now. No, if he's not playing as a tank,
Yeah. No, now she's fucking you up again. Doesn't like this patient, I don't know why.
I think I know the reason.
Why do you won't like me?
Ben's
GG, bro. I like your priest not here.
Kaiden nearby said it feels good winning on TopCat.
Alright, you see, even the most unorganized and most chaotic KVM went very good, and we have video that will upload to tomorrow. Maybe today.
Maybe I'll manage to score a kill on him. Oh, let's take a look. Control him.
Oh, that's what I'm doing. Ah,
Yes.
Master MVP!
Yes.
Let's go! I need to